Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, engine purring like a contented beast, when suddenly, a hidden saboteur in your oil turns your dream ride into a nightmare of breakdowns and bills. Today, we unmask the 11 most dangerous engine oil additives still sneaking onto shelves after explosive lawsuits, and spotlight the elite few that truly elevate your car's performance. Welcome to our premier channel dedicated to the soul of automobiles, where we dissect engine intricacies, unleash performance upgrades, master repairs, and explore the electrifying future of muscle cars, supercars, and beyond. Let's ignite your Passion leading the villains at number 11. PTFE Teflon-based additives, like the notorious Slick 50, touting friction-fighting prowess but morphing into clumpy sludge that scars bearings and chokes filters. Even Teflon's creators at DuPont disavowed its use in oils back in the 90s, a red flag for any discerning gearhead. Number 10 unleashes chlorinated paraffins, masquerading as high-load protectors but degrading into corrosive hydrochloric acid under heat, eroding bearings and cam lobes like industrial rust remover. Witness engines corroded beyond repair after mere oil cycles. A cautionary tale for performance seekers. By separating oil additive myths from mechanical mastery. At number 9, excessive ZDDP zinc boosters wreak havoc on modern emission systems, poisoning catalytic converters and O2 sensors in vehicles, like your eco-conscious F-150, ideal for vintage 60s muscle cars, but a costly converter killer in today's precision-engineered power plants. Solvent-based cleaners claim number 8, promising sludge annihilation but diluting oil viscosity to water-like thinness, stripping vital protective layers and inviting catastrophic metal-on-metal grinding. Opt for consistent maintenance over these aggressive flushes to safeguard your turbocharged thoroughbred. Graphite additives slide into number 7, vowing silky lubrication yet settling into abrasive paste that blocks passages and starves lifters. Dissecting a graphite-afflicted Ford small block revealed a pan of black sludge, underscoring why solids clash with the razor-sharp tolerances of contemporary engines. Snake oil restores occupy number 6, falsely advertising compression miracles through fillers that merely mask issues, leading to filter blockages and seized components, like dumping sawdust into a gearbox. It's a deceptive detour from genuine ring or valve repairs. Number 5 exposes mystery oil conditioners shrouded in proprietary blends, lacking API certifications and morphing oil into viscous sludge that scores CAMS. Demand ingredient transparency and proven testing to protect your investment from these enigmatic engine threats. Excess molybdenum disulfide, MOS2, earns number 4, beneficial in moderation but overwhelming filters with settling sludge when abused. Embrace balanced formulations from trusted brands like Liquimoly, avoiding DIY excesses that compromise modern engine flow and efficiency. Magnetic oil additives magnetize number 3 with pseudoscience claims of enhanced cling, but deliver only clogged systems via metallic debris. Devoid of SAE validation, these gimmicks mock the physics of true lubrication in high-revving supercar hearts. Stop leak solutions. Seal number 2. Temporarily inflating seals with chemicals that later cause brittleness and systemic clogs. Address leaks at their source with professional fixes, not shortcuts that escalate to full rebuilds in your cherished ride. Crowning the avoid list at number 1. Pseudo-nano metal suspensions peddling futuristic coatings without scientific merit, resulting in metallic sludge and turbo failures. Steer clear of unverified bargains, reserving trust for lab-proven outliers like Tribotech's. Now, accelerating to the champions. Liquimoly's MUS2 anti-friction secures position 5, with ultrafine, particles delivering bonded protection for smoother cold starts and cooler runs in aging engines. Decades of German precision engineering make it a staple for extending your vehicle's vitality. Arc oil, AR9100 claims number 4. Heat a friction modifier excelling in diesel realms by banishing stiction in power stroke injectors, yielding silkier starts and steadfast pressure, endorsed by Fleet Pros. It's your non-invasive ally for revitalizing workhorses without disassembly. Tribotech's nano additive advances to number 3. Harnessing NASA-backed ceramics to mend surface wear, silencing ticks and optimizing temperatures in worn motors, backed by rigorous data, it offers tangible longevity for engines on the cusp of greatness. BG. Moe ascends to number 2. Fortifying. Oil with advanced detergents and inhibitors to combat heat-induced degradation, minimizing burn-off in turbos and high-mileage setups, trusted in elite service bays. It's the professional's choice for sustained peak performance. Feel the adrenaline surge as your engine awakens with unyielding power, fortified by wisdom that bridges novice curiosity and expert enthusiasm. Whether restoring a classic muscle car or envisioning tomorrow's hyper-efficient supercars, this knowledge fuels our shared automotive odyssey. Ignite the conversation. Share your additive triumphs or tragedies in the comments. Hit like if this revved your engine. Subscribe for exclusive upgrades and tech forecasts, and share to empower fellow enthusiasts on their road to mastery. Ultimately, empowerment lies in enlightened choices that propel us forward. From roaring V8 legends to innovative electric frontiers, unite with our vibrant community of passionate drivers and leads. Accelerate into an era where every engine tells a story of triumph and innovation.